This is a garden in late June. So I'm just going to show what everything looks like. Some things are drying up because we just had a heat wave. Rascal. Swiss chard. Wow, that might look good. I forgot what these are. Long bean. Marjoram. And this is what I have in abundance, Perilla. A lot. So I have to find ways to use these. Scallions. And that's tomato. Kale. Ginger and them, but them now grow. It's crazy. Pumpkin over there. Cayenne pepper. Callaloo. And these are the okra that just started growing. Another pumpkin over here. Perilla again. These are the red Swiss chard. Oregano. Lots of garlic. Yarrow starting to blossom. These are lavender. I got some of them already, but there's more coming up, which is good. This is a hibiscus plant. And this is a bok choy that I'm saving for seeds right here. This is pole bean. First time I planted beans. The pole bean and the long bean. Raspberry. There's a little raspberry on there. This is another garden I'm taking care of. So I get to reap these. These are snap peas or sugar snap. And NT is awesome. Nice, man. Wow. This is a cluster of Perilla. I'm not gonna get rid of them now. Keep them all right here. Not a big tree, so I'm gonna have to move these cayenne pepper when they get bigger. Halalu. Kilo adesso.